Okay, I've got paddles figured out. So previously the paddles were like this, and they went around the switch, and you basically hot glued them to the base, to the circuit board. But I didn't really like that, and it seems kind of, unprofessional, I guess. So this is the new design, and it uses a full base that covers 3 switches. So the entire thumb cluster uses the base. It's cut out here. So you can see the 3 switches fit into it, and the base of the switches that would normally be against a plate is what holds the base in place. So by soldering those switches in place, you hold down the base for the paddles, and makes it very, very strong, and you need no additional glue or anything for it. So then you just set your thumbs right in the middle and just lean them left and right, and you get your full clicking action inside your thumb clusters. Pretty cool. Oh, also, these, I think this is ready for sale at this point. This is the Mountain Dew Shield 5000, I think, but it just slides over. It's kind of a tight fit right now, but because I just printed this one, but you pretty much just put it on and then leave it on. But it fits over your Teensy. So if you've got a Teensy, you can slide this right over it on your Signum. It does not fit on the Signum 3.1 yet. Oh, also these are available for the 3.1. I did both of those designs up here. That's it. Let me know if you're interested.